Basa, wet, basa. Tuyo, dry, tuyo. Lanta, withered like for plants, lanta. Gusot, wrinkled, gusot. Singkit, chinky eyes, singkit. Hilaw, raw or uncooked, hilaw. Inosente, innocent, inosente. Arrogante, arrogant, arrogante. Kaakit-akit, attractive, kaakit-akit. Lukot, crumpled or wrinkled, lukot. Cute, cute, cute. Guwapo, handsome, guwapo. Bakante, unoccupied or vacant, bakante. Kupas, faded, kupas. Kuripot, stingy, kuripot. Wais or mautak, wise, wais or mautak. Kulot, curly, kulot. Sikat, popular or famous, sikat. Luma, old, which is used with things and not with age, luma. Bago, new, bago. Kulubot, wrinkled. This is used when referring to the skin or the leaves of plants as well as fruits. Kulubot. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.